I'm Anna Blake and I'm Head of Sales and Marketing at Solar Gates UK. I've worked in the sector for nearly 4 years now, just under 4 years, and my first role was Marketing Manager at Solar Gates. It sounds really corny, but I came back from addiction, so literally just being able to run a marketing department and do it successfully and authentically and creatively in the way that I want to, have autonomy over the jobs I want to do, that for me is a high in itself. There's no one outstanding event. A couple that I'll probably only ever share in specific meetings, but yeah, being fired was a particularly career low, yeah. Know my worth, especially as a young woman, to understand that I had a voice and that my voice was worth listening to, not to sit in the shadows. I think it tends to be that lack of authenticity that you see, that people put on the fake small talk, or they're proud and excited, and it's always that. I would like to relate to the real. My family, or my parents, have this thing. They have two categories of problems: a category A problem and a category B problem. A category A problem is really kind of an easy fix. It's money. You have the money or you don't have the money, it's an easy fix. And the category B problem is an emotional problem. That's much harder to deal with. Focus on the category B problems. They're the ones that are going to trip you up. Purpose. And I mean that in the broader sense of that I enjoy what I do. I love working for Solar Gates, but it's my inherent purpose as a person that gives me that enjoyment. The people, wholeheartedly, they're awesome. I don't want this to sound controversial, because there's a hell of a lot of people doing a hell of a lot of good, but I'm a woman in a very male-dominated industry, and this isn't just related to the highways industry in any way, shape or form. But as a woman, I would like to see better representation and better understanding of, not just in corporate roles, just more equality.